All right, so for example number 4 here, we're going to be graphing the inverse function. And so we don't need to know the equation. We really basically we could just either sketch it or use the coordinate points here. And so basically what I did right here is it's pretty important that you actually draw the line y equals x on your graph when you're going to graph the inverse. And the reason for that is when you graph an inverse, it's always a reflection across the line y equals x. So by doing that, it's just going to help you visualize it when you're graphing it. So I'll just go ahead and put that right in there. So basically, I mean, if you were going to sketch this, you just know like it has to look, you know, the reflection. I mean, if you kind of think about it, this is -3, 0, right? That's the point -3, 0. So if you just switch x and y, right? If you just switch x and y, now you're going to get 0 and -3, 0, -3, and then this is the point -1, 2. So that's going to be the point 2, -1, 2, -1, and that's the point right here, 5, 3. And then that's going to now become a 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3. So connecting those guys right there, you're going to get this little guy. And you should see the equidistant, right? So whatever this distance is, it should be the exact same there. That distance should be the same as that distance. That guy should be the same, and so forth. I mean, you can pick all the points right there. But that's why you want to put the line y equals x. So same thing right here. We have a couple of points here. I think this is a point, let's see, -2. So that's the point -2, -5. So switch those right there. So that should be -5, -2. That's the point -1, 1. So it's 1. So wait, let's see, yes, how's the point? -1, -1 actually, sorry. Right? That's -1. So that means that's going to be the point -1, -1 again, right? Like it doesn't change. 0, 0 doesn't change, and 1, 1 doesn't change. It's still, those are all going to remain the same right there. And this right here is 2, 5, so it's going to be 5, 2. So we have something that looks something like that then, where these are all going to be equidistant right here if you kind of do this little thing. Great, and that's how you do that.